Hi, boys and girls. It's your friend Buster. Today I have a very funny poem called It's Raining Pigs and Noodles by Jack Prelutsky from his book It's Raining Pigs and Noodles, published by Green Willow Books. It goes like this. It's raining pigs and noodles. It's pouring frogs and hats, chrysanthemums and poodles, bananas, brooms, and cats. Assorted prunes and parrots are dropping from the sky. Here comes a bunch of carrots, some hippopotami. It's raining pens and pickles and eggs and silverware. A flood of figs and nickels is falling through the air. I see a swan, a sweater, a clock, a model train. I like this so much better than when it's raining rain. Ha ha ha! I hope you found some funny poems for you to read. The library has lots of poetry books for you to borrow. That's where Mom got this one. Keep reading this summer, girls and boys. I miss you. Bye.